To change the header color on Weebly, start by opening your web browser and typing in Weebly. Then click on the Weebly.com option that appears. Once you're signed in with your email and password, you'll see an overview of your website, including items, orders, fulfillment reports, marketing communications, and settings on the left side of the page. At the top right, you'll find options to upgrade, access support, and view your store. To modify the header color, navigate to the Edit Site page, which can be accessed by clicking on the Edit Site button or through the website drop-down menu. From there, select the main page, or header, to customize it. You'll see options for navigation, drop-down menus, and layout and color customization. Scroll down to the Color Style section and click on Edit Color Styles. This will allow you to change the main color, add secondary colors, and choose different color styles for filling, background, title, and paragraph text. You can explore these options to find the perfect color scheme for your website.